Hi everyone. Now what we're looking at here is a model for assignment 2. So for assignment 2 you are either going to be writing about the topic of volunteers and Australia's use of volunteers, or you're going to be writing about plastic bags in an Australian context. This assignment is on a different topic, but the principles of what they've handed in is they are exactly the same as what we are expecting to see from you. So it's really useful if you have a look, because I'm going to point out some important things to you. So the first two things that we expect to see in your assignment are your notes TM on the two readings that you've chosen from the resource materials. So if you're doing the topic on volunteering, your paragraph on volunteering, you'll be doing notes TM on readings 11 and readings 12. Or if you're doing your paragraph on plastic bags, your notes TM will be based on readings 13 and then reading 14. Okay, so as you can see here though, this is what your notes TM will look like. So you'll have your topic here, whether it's volunteering or plastic bags. This person's topic is the involvement of fathers after divorce. You'll have the author of the first article, its year of publication, the title of the article, where it came from, so it might not necessarily be a newspaper, and the date that it was published. Then what we expect to see from you is the use of the notes TM. So making sure you note the page number as you go through, the main ideas that you're finding as you actively read through the article, and then the most important column, your thoughts on those ideas. And as you can see here, just as with the models in the study guide, this person's used arrows and things to connect the points from the article to their own ideas about what was in there. Now, really important point, it is not necessary for your notes TM to be word processed. Handwriting is fine as long as we can read it. So you'll have one of those, and that will be followed then by the second one, which has exactly the same format. So those are the first two things that are part of your assignment, your notes TM on the two articles that relate to your topic. Then we expect to see a graphic organizer. Now you can use the template from Moodle, or you can just draw up your own like this, as long as it divides your ideas for planning your paragraph into a say it or topic sentence, what your prove it points are going to be, and your clinch it or concluding sentence. So the say it here and the clinch it here should be written in full, exactly as they're going to appear in the paragraph. The prove it points should just be points, so there's no point to using a graphic organizer if you're going to write the whole paragraph out in full. But what's really valuable that we can see here is that this person has indicated, well, these are the points that I want to make in my prove it points. This is the article that I read from up here. I'm going to take those points from. So that's where their in-text referencing is going to appear. And they've done it there, and they've done it there, and they've done it there. Okay, so your prove it points should include points that are going to support your topic sentence that are taken from both the articles that you've read, not just one or the other. And then finally, we will want to see your polished paragraph. So you can see here, they've got some in-text referencing, they've got author prominent, and they've got a direct quote here that is information prominent, and they've got some more information prominent referencing here. So that is what we're expecting to see from you, and then that is followed on a separate page with your reference list that will have your two readings in it, and that will be correctly formatted according to the Harvard Guide.